will the OnePlus 11 still charge with a non-SuperVOOC third-party fast charger, sometimes known as a PD charger?
First one up is the iSwift Power Cloud with a 65-watt USB-C out. This next one is the Polaris eCube 100-watt USB-C. Both of these ports work, both of them do 100 watts. I got this from CES. It includes a fantastic travel case, a thick fabric lined USB-C cable, but more importantly, can this thing charge the OnePlus 11 properly? This next one is my daily driver, the RAV Power 61-watt PD charger. I use this to charge my Chromebooks and such. Can this also charge the OnePlus 11 well? So the moral of the story, any of these high wattage chargers will rapidly charge your OnePlus 11, but for the best performance, using a SuperVOOC brick will automatically be recognized and optimized by your OnePlus 11 to charge at ultra max speed. Don't forget to subscribe and like.